Hello and welcome to Raquel Teaches. This tutorial is for the students in my CIS 103 class who may be having trouble installing Microsoft Office. So what I'm going to show you here is how to access Microsoft Office online, which is Microsoft Office 365, and then how to install the software locally on your computer. So let's get started. When you first log into MyCCP, this is the screen that you should see, right? You'll see the general splash screen, and on the left, you'll see a menu. And on this menu on the left, one of the options that you will see there, about the fourth option down, should say email and then Office 365 in parentheses. You're going to click on that, okay? And it will take you to Outlook, which is your CCP email. But then when you're in Outlook, you're also going to have this menu in the upper left corner that has 9 dots. And when you hover over it and then click on it, what that will do is it will display this menu of Microsoft Office products, which is fine. Clicking on any of these will allow you to access the online versions of these products. But that's not what you want to do. You want to install this on your computer. And so to get to that point, to get to that link, you're first going to click on the option here in the lower right that says More Apps. So when you click on More Apps, it will open up a new tab in your browser and give it some time to work. And when you do, you'll notice that now here in the upper right corner of the screen, there is a button that says Install Apps. When you click that button, right, you'll see these options become available in the drop-down. You'll see the first one says Microsoft 365 Apps, Microsoft 365 Copilot. And again, this is as of January 2026. This might change in the future. So you have these options for Copilot and then get more apps. What you want to do is click on the first option that says Microsoft 365 Apps. So go ahead and click on that. Give it some time to work. And now you're presented with the screen that gives you the options to download and install programs on your computer, okay? And you'll notice here that it tells you right away. It says Office Apps and Devices, this first option. You can install Office on up to 5 PCs or Macs, 5 tablets, and 5 smartphones, okay? So what you'll be doing is that you'll be clicking on Install Office. And I won't go through all the steps because I already have it installed on my computer, but you'll notice that once it does that, it gives you a new window where you'll download the installation file first. So you have to download this file. You can download it to wherever you like. Most people just download it to their local downloads folder or their desktop, whatever you need. And then once you download this installation file, then you're going to double click on that file and follow the steps that it shows you to install the Microsoft Office programs on your computer. Okay? So just go ahead and do that and make sure that you complete the installation steps, and that way you have Microsoft Office installed on your computer or your laptop, whatever device it is you're using, so that you can have access to it locally and you don't always have to get online on Office 365 online to be able to access these programs. Okay? If you have any questions, just submit a question via Canvas. Thanks.